Doon yung nangyari kay Inday Sara. I'm sorry, Sarah, for that term, but that's just who I am. I'm just being honest. When we are suffering, some of us just succumb to it. Pero the right approach is when you are going through a lot, you have to step back and look at, okay, why are these things happening? What is going on? Diba? What is going on? Parang ano lang yan, para ka nagtatanim ng halaman, nag-aalaga ng halaman, nakikita mo yung halaman mo na imbis na magpanik ka, oh my God, yung halaman ko natutuyo na mamatay. Gagawin mo, you just have to step back and see what is going on. Why is this happening? So, kailangan ka magkaroon ng coherent narrative on why it's happening. Either you would think na hindi mo titingnan yung bigger picture on why it's happening to you, and then pag nalampasan mo, yung gagawin mo lang is, tangina kayong lahat lalagpasan ko na to, babambuyin ko ang mga buhay ninyo. So yung alam mo yung, kasi when you survive a suffering, you will have a tremendous amount of energy after that. Don't you notice it? Even after your sickness, di ba, pagkatapos ng, ang bilis nga nun di ba? Don't you notice it? Na pag magkasakit ka, tangina buong linggo, para ka lang mamamatay dahil sa sakit or whatever. And then, tapos yun ang pag-gising mo, biglang, ay, bakit ang laki, ganda na ng energy ko, ganyan. So, you will have a new burst of energy.